Hey, what's up, Taffy Dollar? What's up, Church Jesus Christ? What's up, Pastor Chris? What's up, everybody? What's up, you people? What's up, everybody? Look, man, got this Bible verse that was in the front. You know what I'm saying? If you see right here.
And the sixth angel poured out his vial upon the great river Euphrates, and the water thereof was dried up, that the way of the kings of the east might be prepared.
It says that the sixth angel poured out his vial, and the great river Euphrates, right, was dried up to prepare the way for the kings of the east. Now, if you look at this map right here, what do you see? You see America, you see the Pacific Ocean, you see America, and you see Atlantic Ocean, and you see the east, right? Okay. Now, when it says Great River Euphrates, so a lot of people think the Great River Euphrates is the one in the east, right? But I have proof that the Great River Euphrates is the Atlantic Ocean, right? Check this out. Now, if you look at this map, right? When we're talking, you see the east, right? Africa, Europe, Africa, Asia. You see the east, right? Circle. Now, if you look at the map again, you see the Atlantic Ocean, right? Circle. Now, if you look at the map again, you see America, which is Babylon, circle. Now, what does it mean by the way we were prepared? It will be dried up for the way we prepare for the kings of the east. So the east, there's no other river or water, body of water that's coming from the east, because the east is all land. So now, which leads me to believe that they're coming through the Atlantic Ocean. So the Atlantic Ocean will be dried up, so the people of the east will come to America to destroy America, which is Babylon, as it says right here.
O thou that dwellest upon many waters, abundant in treasures, thine end is come, and the measure of thy covetousness.
The final destruction of Babylon. You feel me? So, the Atlantic Ocean is Euphrates. Be blessed.